DFW Adventure Park. Drop into the middle of an intense paintball battle. This place is all about outdoor action sports. The green paintball field is over 170 acres with woods and trails. When you're carrying your gun through the terrain, you'll feel like you're in Call of Duty. You can also try out airsoft, trap and skeet, and sporting clays. Players use more realistic-looking guns that shoot plastic BBs in airsoft. It's similar to paintball, but with softer ammo. Airsoft guns can shoot up to 400 feet per second. You need to wear approved goggles. No mesh types allowed. Players under 18 must also wear a hard full-face mask, like plastic or metal. If you're looking for a military-style combat experience with airsoft tactics and teamwork, DFW Adventure Park has airsoft events twice a month. The sessions are on the first and third Saturdays of the month from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. For hard-hitting, quick action, DFW Adventure Park offers paintball for all skill levels. Airball, Speedball, and woodsball are some of their gameplay options. Remember, you must be 10 plus to play. Low-impact paintball uses .50 caliber paintballs and is great for beginners who want less pain but still enjoy the fun of traditional paintball. It's for ages 8 and up and uses slower paintballs for a gentler experience. Splat Master is a fun game that feels like paintball but with a light sting. Similar to a rubber band snap, it's perfect for younger players and birthday parties, with a requirement of ages 6 and up, using very light paintballs for a safe adventure. At DFW Adventure Park, the outdoor clay shooting ranges have many clay shooting sports. You can enjoy trap and skeet on 5 fields, international skeet, 5 stand, and a sporting clays course with 15 stations. The ranges welcome everyone, from beginners to experienced shooters. Quality training and instruction are available for those looking to improve their skills. This range also hosts over a dozen high school shooting teams and some members of the USA Olympic shooting team. Visit diversity.com to find exciting experiences.